We will learn to access multiple remote desktop from single PC. First, we have to download Light Manager software by searching it on Google. Extract the file into single folder. Here you will find two setups, number 1 server setup and number 2 viewer setup. Server setup would be installed on that desktop which you want to access it from your PC, and viewer setup would be installed on desktop from which you want to access that desktop where you installed the server setup. You have to set password on Light Manager server. When you will access this server from any Light Manager viewer, then password would be prompted. So this is that password which you have to enter there. This server must be in running position while you access from Light Manager viewer. The same would be applied on all the machines you would set for remote accessing. Note down this server machine IP you would need in Light Manager viewer in order to access this server machine. Install Light Manager viewer in this machine. Now this is the important viewer window. You have to add the server machine by double-clicking plus sign. Write down its IP which you have noted on server machine. After writing IP, it will prompt you the server password which you set on server machine during installation. This is the remote server machine. You can add multiple server machines in this window. You can set unique password for all server machines you want to access. Thank you for watching video. I hope you learned this skill. For more other interesting skills to learn, please subscribe my channel Globe of ICT. and also click on bell button to receive my latest videos I upload in future.